Assalamualaikum everyone. This topic is about uses of stack. Let's recall what we have studied so far. We have implemented stack using arrays and linked lists. So your first task is to implement stack using array and linked list. You have a lot of time to do that. And if you have any queries regarding stack implementation, you can always email me with the screenshot of your code. Examples of uses of stack include traversing and evaluating prefix, infix, and postfix expressions. Consider the expression a plus b. We think of applying plus operator to the operand a and b because plus is termed as binary operator. So binary operator always takes two operand. This kind of expression where operator is present between two operands called infix expression. We take the meaning of this expression as to both operand A and B. So this type of expression is called infix form. There are two other ways of writing expressions. We could write it as plus AB, in which the operator is written before the operands A and B. These kinds of expressions are called prefix expressions. We could also write it as A, B plus, in which the plus is written after the operands A and B, and this expression is called postfix expressions. The prefix pre and the postfix, in which post refer to the position of the operand with respect to the two operands. In this topic, we will learn how to convert an infix expression into postfix. So we will take an example. This is an infix expression A plus B into C. And all of you are familiar with the mass rule. So we know that multiplication is done before addition. So we can write B into C into the bracket. This indicate that we will solve multiplication part first and then addition because multiplication has precedence over addition. Let's solve an example. A plus B multiplication C. As we know that we will solve multiplication part first. So to convert B into C into postfix form, we will write B and C first because B is operand 1 and C is operand 2. So we will write operand 1 B, operand 2 C, and then multiplication. Step 1 is completed, in which we have converted B into C into postfix form. Now B C multiplication become a single operand. So we will read the second line as A operand 1 plus is an operator and B C multiplication operand 2. So how we are going to convert this into postfix form? We will write operand 1 first, operand 2 B C multiplication second, and then its operator, that is addition. So this is the third step, in which A is operand 1, B, C multiplication is operand 2, and after operand 1 and 2 there is an operator, that is addition in this example. Step 4 is a final look of postfix form. As you have noticed, there is no bracket in it. This is an important point, you have to remember it. A postfix form does not have any brackets. Let's solve another example. As you have noticed in this example, A plus B is in the brackets, so we know that brackets have higher precedence. So we will solve addition part first. To convert A plus B into postfix form, we will write operand 1 first, that is A, operand 2 second, that is B, and then operator. So the postfix form of A plus B is A, B plus. So we have solved A plus B part. To solve multiplication part, we will read AB plus as a single operand 1 and C operand 2 for binary operator multiplication. So the final postfix form is A, B, addition, C, multiplication. If you have noticed that we have solved two examples, in both examples the order of operand is same. But in this example, we have brackets, so we have to solve bracket first. So if you notice that the result of both expression is different. The arrangement of operand will tell us how to evaluate these postfix expression. So we don't need brackets in the final postfix form. Let's recall precedence of operator. There are five binary operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentation. So the order of precedence is from highest to lowest. At the highest level, we will solve exponentation. This sign is used for power, like 2 power 3 or 2 power 8, and then multiplication and division has same precedence level. This means you can solve these two operators at the same time. And at the lowest level we have addition and subtraction, so we can solve addition and subtraction at the same time. For the operators that has same precedence, the left to right rule applies. In this example, A plus B plus C, we will solve A plus B first, then plus C. But for the exponentation, right to left rule applies. For example, if you encounter this type of example where A power B power C, so we will solve B power C first, then A, the answer of B power C. This is your task. Solve these four in fixed form into postfix on your copy manually. If you have solved these four examples on your copies, then congratulations. Now you know how to convert an infix form into postfix form manually. But as you see, this postfix expression may seem difficult at first. But no worries, we will learn an algorithm to convert infix form into postfix form, and all of you are programmers, so there will be no difficulty of understanding and solving these expressions.